Beyond the twinkling stars and vast cosmic expanse, there exists a captivating world that has fascinated humanity for centuries. The enigmatic planet Mars. Often referred to as the red planet due to its rusty hue, Mars has beckoned scientists, astronomers, and dreamers with its potential to hold answers to some of the most profound questions about our universe and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. In this extraordinary journey, we embark on a quest to explore the wonders of Mars and unveil 50 fascinating facts about this neighboring celestial body. 1. The fourth rock from the Sun. As the fourth planet from the Sun, Mars orbits at an average distance of approximately 142 million miles, placing it significantly closer to our home planet than the giant gas giants beyond. 2. A day on Mars. A day on Mars, known as a sol, is just slightly longer than a day on Earth, lasting approximately 24 hours and 37 minutes. 3. A Martian year. Mars' orbital period around the Sun spans approximately 687 Earth days, making a Martian year nearly twice as long as a year on Earth. Vast atmosphere. Unlike Earth, Mars has a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide 95.3 with traces of nitrogen 0.7 and argon 1.6. 5. The mystery of Mars' moon. Mars has two small, irregularly shaped moons named Phobos and Deimos, which have sparked debates among scientists regarding their origins. 6. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, rising about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers. High Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in our solar system and stands as a testament to Mars' volcanic past. 7. The Great Martian Rift. Svallis Marineries, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of Mars, is an immense canyon system stretching over 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers long, and up to 7 miles, 11 kilometers deep. 8. Mars polar ice caps. Mars has polar ice caps made of water and carbon dioxide that expand and recede with its changing seasons. 9. The Martian equator. The equator region of Mars experiences significant temperature fluctuations ranging from a scorching 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius during the day to a frigid 195 degrees Fahrenheit, 125 degrees Celsius at night. 10. Martian dust storms. Mars is notorious for its colossal dust storms, which can envelop the entire planet and last for months, affecting visibility and temperature. 11. Liquid water on Mars. Despite Despite its arid and barren appearance, scientists have discovered evidence of liquid water beneath the Martian surface, raising questions about the possibility of life. 12. Ancient riverbeds. Numerous features on Mars, such as dry rivers and channels, hint at a once water-rich and potentially habitable past. 13. The Mars rovers. NASA's rovers, including Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, have provided valuable data about Mars' geology, climate, and potential for life. Viking landers, the first to touch Martian soil. In 1976, the Viking 1 and Viking 2 landers became the first spacecraft to successfully land on Mars and conduct experiments on its surface. 15. Methane mystery. Mars' atmosphere contains traces of methane, which could be a potential indicator of microbial life or geological activity. 16. The Martian soil. Mars' soil, known as regolith, is rich in iron oxide, giving it its distinctive reddish color. 17. Mars' two hemispheres. Mars' northern hemisphere is smoother and lower in elevation compared to its southern hemisphere, which is characterized by highlands and ancient cratered terrain. 18. Mars discovered by Mars has been observed and studied by ancient civilizations for millennia, with detailed records dating back to ancient Babylonian astronomers. 19. Martian seasons. Mars experiences seasons similar to Earth due to its axial tilt of about 25.2 degrees. 20. Phobos' ominous fate. Phobos, the larger of Mars' two moons, is gradually spiraling inward and is predicted to eventually be torn apart by Mars' gravitational forces. 21. Martian dust devils. Mars experiences dust devils, swirling columns of Martian dust, similar to tornadoes on Earth. 22. Mars meteor showers. Mars experiences meteor showers, where meteors burn up in its atmosphere and create spectacular light displays. 23. Mars polar vortex. Mars' North Polar Vortex is a swirling mass of clouds and dust that becomes more prominent during its winter season. 2004. Mars' lack of a global magnetic field. Unlike Earth, Mars does not have a strong global magnetic field, which has led to the erosion of its atmosphere over time. 5. Mars' ancient magnetic field. Evidence suggests that Mars had a magnetic field in the past, which could have protected its atmosphere and potentially supported life. 2006. Mars gravity. Mars has a weaker gravitational pull compared to Earth, with a surface gravity of approximately 38 of Earth's. 27. Martian dust storms and spacecraft. Dust storms on Mars can pose challenges for spacecraft, affecting solar panels and overall performance. 28. Mars weather forecast. Mars weather can be unpredictable, with frequent changes in temperature and atmospheric conditions. 29. Mars's two faces. Mars has a distinct appearance, with its northern hemisphere being smooth and relatively low-lying, while its southern hemisphere is mountainous and heavily cratered. 30. Martian auroras. Mars experiences auroras, similar to Earth's northern and southern lights, caused by interactions between its atmosphere and solar radiation. 31. Mars' largest crater. The Borealized Basin is the largest impact crater on Mars, spanning over 5,300 miles, 500 kilometers in diameter. 32. Mars methane variability. Methane levels on Mars vary over time, and the source of the methane remains a subject of scientific inquiry. 33. Martian dust devils. Dust devils on Mars can reach up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers in height, and are a common occurrence in its arid landscape. 34. Mars InSight mission. NASA's InSight lander is currently studying the interior of Mars, providing crucial insights into its geology and seismic activity. 35. Mars and Moon Phobos. Phobos orbits Mars at a very close distance, making it the fastest moving moon in our solar system. 36. Mars vanishing water. Water on Mars exists in the form of ice, and due to its low atmospheric pressure, liquid water cannot exist on its surface. 37. Mars Olympus Mons and Valles Marineris. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, and Valles Marineris, the largest canyon, are both impressive Martian features. 38. Martian dust and sunsets. Mars' dusty atmosphere scatters light, leading to blue sunsets on the red planet. 39. Mars' extensive dunes. Mars is home to vast dune fields created by the action of wind and dust. 40. Mars Hellas Planitia. Hellas Planitia is the lowest and largest impact basin on Mars, covering a region comparable to the size of the entire European continent. Barsi Deimos and Phobos' unusual orbits. Mars moons Deimos and Phobos have irregular orbits, indicating possible captured asteroids. 42. Mars sulfates and ancient lakes. Sulfates found on Mars suggest the presence of ancient lakes and the potential for past habitable environments. Barsi 3. Martian Viking landers and the search for life. NASA's Viking landers performed experiments to search for signs of life on Mars in the 1970s. 44. Mars Gale Crater and Mount Sharp. Curiosity rover is exploring Gale Crater, which contains Mount Sharp, a layered mountain with a rich geological history. 45. Mars Cerberus fossae and volcanism. Cerberus fossae is a vast fracture system on Mars indicating volcanic activity in the planet's past. 46. Mars Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter. NASA's Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter are the latest mission to explore Mars, searching for signs of ancient life and testing aerial exploration. 47. Mars methane mystery. The presence of methane on Mars remains a topic of ongoing research and investigation with potential implications for life. 48. Mars potential for colonization. Mars has been proposed as a potential site for human colonization in the future, raising ethical and technological challenges. 49. Mars moons and future exploration. Phobos and Deimos have been considered as potential locations for future manned missions and mining operations. 50. Mars atmosphere and terraforming. Scientists have explored the concept of terraforming Mars by modifying its atmosphere to make it more habitable for humans. Mars, the red planet, has long captured the imagination of humanity with its mysteries and potential for unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. From its ancient rivers to the possibility of hidden underground water, from its colossal volcanoes to its enigmatic moons, Mars continues to intrigue and inspire us. As our exploration of this celestial body continues, we are left with even more questions about its past, present, and future. With new missions on the horizon and the dreams of sending humans to Mars, we stand at the cusp of unraveling the enigma that is the red planet. As we peer through the lens of science and human curiosity, we eagerly await the day when we can truly understand the complexities of this neighboring world